Viking Yachts. A symbol of beauty, quality, and prestige. Their clean lines and attention to detail is what separates them from the other yacht builders. This vessel is no exception. Welcome aboard FINS Up, a 2004 Viking 56 convertible. Peeking into the belly of this beauty, you will find twin-man 1500 horsepower diesel engines. These power plants have only 800 running hours and thruster through the water at 40 knots. Or if you want to troll, they are outfitted with ZF transmissions with trolling valves. Having spent all her time in the fresh waters of the Great Lakes, she is as comfortable on the water as she is on shore. Touring below from aft to forward is the Salon Galley. Her interior has been recently upgraded to create this perfect space for relaxing and entertaining. Continuing forward are the staterooms. The starboard guest stateroom has slotted crossover beds with custom mattresses and direct access to the adjacent head and shower. At the bow is the VIP stateroom, also with crossover bunks and custom mattresses. On the port side is the master stateroom, with mirrored his and her closets. The master also has a private head and shower. This 56 convertible has been meticulously maintained and is ready for her next adventure with you.